Imagine having the freedom to build your dream business, generate multiple streams of income, and achieve financial independence. Welcome to the Legacy Builder Program, your comprehensive guide to creating a thriving digital online business. Hi, I'm James, and I want to introduce you to an incredible opportunity that can transform your life. The Legacy Builder Program is designed to help you build a sustainable online business from the ground up, with the potential for 4 powerful streams of income. With our step-by-step guidance, you'll learn how to create multiple revenue streams, including affiliate marketing, product sales, membership subscriptions, and advertising. This program equips you with the tools and knowledge to maximize your earning potential. The best part? You don't need any prior experience. Our program is perfect for beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs alike. We take you by the hand and guide you through every step of the process, ensuring your success. I was skeptical at first, but the Legacy Builder Program has completely changed my life. The step-by-step instructions and support made it easy for me to create a profitable online business. I now have multiple streams of income and the financial freedom I've always dreamed of. And here's something even more exciting. When you join the Legacy Builder Program, you get Master Resell Rights. This means you can resell the program to others and keep 100% of the profits. It's an additional stream of income that can exponentially increase your earnings. The Legacy Builder Program is available for a one-time investment of $900. This includes lifetime access to all our resources, updates, and support. And if you need flexibility, we offer convenient payment plans to fit your budget. We understand that starting a business can be a big financial commitment. That's why we've made it easy for you to get started with payment plans that suit your needs. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join the Legacy Builder Program today and take the first step towards building your own digital online business. Click the link below to get started, and let's build your legacy together. The Legacy Builder Program. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. www.sixfigureuniverse.com/ready